Oh, Salobame, oh. Hey, oh. This is the implications of using two things together. Two dangerous things, phone and cooking gas. See this guy. For reality, before this incident happened, this guy was a very, very cute guy. This guy fine. Oh, no, this guy fine. He fine reach down. But see wetin can happen to him body. Under 24 hours, that handsome guy became something else you are seeing right now. Oh my goodness, I really feel so sad for this guy as I dey talk now. Oh no, inside me dey shake, because this is not what this guy planned. Wetin this guy plan for no be him dey see so. This is what happened. To make una listen, as he come remove him t-shirt, say make him show him body well, make people for see him body. See wetin phone and gas do. What he was doing was he was receiving call while he dey cook for kitchen. My darling sisters and brothers, this is not the first time people dey always announce, they talk say you guys should beware, be careful, be very, very careful of how una dey make calls. You dey receive you dey make call you dey test anything you dey do, in as much say gas dey there and the gas is on, you guys should be very, very careful. But people no go hear. Even before this thing happen to this guy, they've been saying this, they've been passing these messages across. So many people don't fall into this temptation, so many people don't lose their lives, and every time we dey announce and they talk but some people no go hear. Some people go see they do despite the fact say we don't show this video, despite the fact that some people go see this video, they go see they do because of say cotton wool don't block their ear. Yes, cotton wool don't block their ear. So this guy was literally cooking in the kitchen one day. This guy dey cook one day and he talk say na the 4 burner na him dey use, the gas cooker, that oven industrial gas cooker na him dey use, the one with electricity and the one with normal gas na him dey use that day. So he come dey receive call and he dey do something for kitchen, dey cook. Before you know, na this thing happen. No be say the thing catch fire at that particular time. He say the thing first happen to him hand. All of a sudden the thing gon drag am. See him back, the thing gon drag am go where he gon go put in chest for where the gas dey. Now he can't dey show him lap. He can't talk say that in lap too, he affect in lap. He don't do 2 to 3 surgeries. And also for that in throat, the throat for what's past this one. But this place when they talk so, he said they had to cut some of in lap, join the neck to pass am, so that you go feel they say wetin they do, they talk so. And he come talk say this surgery never still finish. He still have 2 to 4 surgeries to still do, but all na money. They come ask him say how he take survive, how he take get the money, because obviously we know that anything that has to do with surgery they cost. Surgery no be anybody mate. He come talk say thank God to him church members, thank God to God, because now God make am take possible. Say if no be God, if for don't buy, truly if no be God, these bros for don't buy, because the thing affected his throat. He affected his throat, like he affected his throat. Gone. This guy not even supposed to talk, but God is just so merciful to him. Now God just say this guy never reached to buy. God just say, my son, it is not yet time for you to come and go and join your ancestors. Now what is still make this guy still their life so? But my dear brothers and sisters, be warned though. All those boys when he be say you they use flashlight, you they use the flashlight of your phone, they cook, be very careful. Most especially you will be say you go they receive call, you go they cook, they receive call, whether a person call you, whether na you they call person, be very careful. This is what has happened. See wetin don happen to this guy now. And wetin I know, no one to be say one thing I want make una know be say it is easy to destroy something, but to repair the hard. It is hard. Imagine you trying to build a building now. If you want build house, you go take time to build, but if you want destroy that house under 30 minutes before you go see 10-story building, they go destroy and go scatter. That is how it is. Look at the bodies on gas before. Please guys, be very careful. Don't cook, don't use gas and phone when cooking. Don't press, keep phone aside. Life is more important than your phone. Whoever that wants to call you should call you when you are done cooking. Call whoever you want call when you don't finish cooking. Don't text, don't chat. Be very careful. If na know say I don't watch this video reach this place, I beg do well to share so that people can be aware of the detriment, of the dangers of using pressing phone, receiving call while cooking. Run to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell. Go to my Instagram, my TikTok, my Facebook page. Follow me in all my social media platforms. The same name, Effects Always. Please, my dear brothers, my dear sisters, be careful. Be careful. Our life don't have duplicate. Oh, I love you guys. Chop am. Mwah.